surface greater than 3/4 diameter? Yes or no? Yes. Alright. And let's see, refer to figure 25 air to control tower frequency for Addison Airport is for 25. And you're going to have little, by those airports, you're going to have little circles. I got to go to 25. And 26, I got to back up one. Okay, 25. I got to spin this. Addison Airport. Where are you? Oh, Decatur. Where are we? What state? State. Oh, Dallas. Right around Texas. Okay. So, area 2. And I need to find Addison Airport. Addison, where are you? Garland. You're going to see the great big airport. Addison, where are you? Area 2. Dallas, Fort Worth. Hidden Valley. You're going to have information underneath that. Figure 25. Yeah, figure 25. Area 2. Oh, there it is, Addison. Okay, now under Addison, you're going to see the word Addison, and its abbreviation ADS. Under it, you're going to have CT 226, C, ATIS 133.4. You're going to have the actual altitude of the airport. You're going to have an L, which means lighted. And then you're going to have 72, which 7,200. That's how long the runway is. And then you're going to have the after hours communication of 122.95. One I want is going to be that first one. Control tower frequency at Addison is 2600. That's always going to be the first one you're going to want. For that one anyway, for that question. For 21 for CTF frequency for Mercer. That's going to be, CTF is going to be after, basically after hour. After hours. So I got a 21. There you go. Not being a long video. 21. Jumped over it. 21 frequency. So you basically get an idea what I'm going through as far as the training's concerned for this. Okay, back up. Get this one real quick. The question is, it is 21.3. Area 3, and we need Mercer Airport CF, which is going to have a C before it. And that's going to give you the clue as the CTF. CTF frequency, area 3. And there's control. The C is actually going to be after it, excuse me. So I'm looking at 22.8 as my answer. And yes. Alright. Well, I'm going to let you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, especially if you've already taken this test or even used federal drone registration as your instrument to complete that test. So I believe it's going to be really important to get that license, even though every 2 years you got to take the test again. But in my view, it really needs to be. I need to have it because if you're going to fly a drone over 0.55 and take aerial photography and put it up, you're going to have that license. I'm not sure what the stipulation. I know there's a lot of drones out there coming out that are under 5.5 that people are taking aerial videos with. So I don't know where that. I'm not sure where legality. Jesus, I'm tongue-tied tonight. Never mind. I don't know where the legal standpoint is on that. So, but anyway, again, hey, comment and definitely subscribe and share, and we'll catch you on the next altitude. And I just went to the next question. I'm halfway through the 60. Who holds the responsibility to ensure all crew members who are participating in the operation are not impaired by drugs or alcohol? The remote pilot in command, the contractor, the site supervisor. It is the remote pilot in command.